What's going on, guys? It's your boy, the Logical Dude. I'm doing this video here on my channel to talk about some of the changes that we got going on CoinLogic. So coin-logic.com is my crypto kind of research and information site that I've built. I use the CoinGecko API to bring in all the data, that kind of thing. But I really just kind of wanted an all-in-one place to do all my crypto research. I started this up a couple of years, like actually kind of like right after I got into crypto. I just started playing around and was like, all right, let me just see what I can build using WordPress. And here we go. So here's my little research site. This is stuff that I use. It allows me to focus, on some of the stuff that I want to look at and that kind of thing. So I'm going to show you what I've got going on. I've added a whole stock and kind of an economic section. I've added some feeds to the news feed, that kind of stuff. Just really clean some stuff up. We moved everything over to new servers, so stuff should be loading a lot faster. The only thing that I'm seeing that's still, having some loading issues is the subsequent like cryptocurrency pages. So like if you click on a crypto name, it'll pull up a full info page with conversion charts, all that kind of stuff. That may take a minute because a lot of this is coming from a cold start that we just started, like I said, just moved over to new servers. So it's just got to load some of that stuff up into the CDN networks and that kind of thing. So some of those may be a little slow still, but I'm still really happy with the overall performance of the site and the changes that I've been making. So let's get right into that kind of stuff. So let's take a look at that. Let me go over here and share my screen so you guys can see what's going on here. And welcome to coin-logic.com. So when you open it up, you've got three tabs there. At the top, we've got live crypto markets, which shows you live updated feeds of the crypto markets, what we've got going on. It starts you off with the top 100. You can scroll all the way through the market, get down here, go to the next 100, go to the next 100. But you can see here, this is all out of 3,949 coins. Okay, so these are basically the ranked coins in the CoinGecko API system. As it shows, there are over 13,000 cryptocurrencies that are registered with CoinGecko, but not all of them are ranked. So this is showing the rank. This API that I'm using pulls in the rank stuff, which is really all that matters, honestly. So anyway, you come in here, you've got the trending page, which shows the top trending out of the top 100. Okay, so I can just kind of focus on those top coins. So once you get out of the top 100, things get a little sketchy sometimes, so you just got to be safe in those realms. But even in the top 100, you got to be safe here. Anyway, you got your top 10 gainers, your top 10 losers that you can check out. We've also got the Fear and Greed Index and a daily technical analysis for Bitcoin, so you can kind of see what the trends are looking like. Right now, we're still in a serious bear trend. It tells you over here with the Bitcoin analysis if it's a strong sell, neutral, buy, strong buy. And then you can also click on this, the ticker symbol up there, and it opens up the actual info page on TradingView, showing you basically the breakdown on why it says what it says. It shows you the different indicators and oscillators that it's using to come up with these figures. So that's fun times. We're going to go back over here to the page, and I'm going to show you now our new stocks, futures, bonds, and Forex section. So what I did was I came in here. When you open it up, you have a crypto stock index section. So this is what I call the crypto stock index. This shows you the top publicly traded stocks on the NASDAQ that are involved in cryptocurrency. One either fully, like as a mining company, Coinbase, or as like an exchange kind of thing. So let's take a look at that. We've got Coinbase, Robinhood, Block or Square. We got Marathon Digital, Riot Blockchain, Cannon Incorporated, their mining company, Hut 8 Mining Corporation, Hive Blockchain. This is not, pray tell, our Hive blockchain. So the one that I'm actually posting on, okay? This is different. This is actually a publicly traded mining company. They also invest in other like software, DeFi, that kind of stuff. So that is Hive Blockchain Technologies Limited. They are a Canadian-based company that does trade on the NASDAQ. Hive Blockchain, that we are like the revolution here, is a actual blockchain that you can come, and it's basically a social media blockchain. It's where I do all my, text-based posting, that kind of stuff. We can link stuff in and it's there forever. You own your data, you own your account. That's what the Hive blockchain is. Funny thing is, when we split off from Steem over to Hive, this company actually tried to come after us. But the cool thing about a actual decentralized network like Hive, like Bitcoin, is that there is not a central point of authority that you can come after to say, hey, here's, cease and desist, stop using the name. Yeah, sorry. There's nobody to do that with the Hive with our Hive blockchain. So anyway, I do have this listed though, because they are one of the top, publicly traded companies that are involved in crypto. Then we also have NVIDIA and Advanced Micro Devices. Those have always been kind of considered as part of like a, crypto stock, because they produce a lot of the technology that mines the current for proof of work, so GPUs, that kind of thing. That's all, NVIDIA or AMD. CPUs for Monero, stuff like that. That's all AMD. So these are hardware providers. These are the mining companies. And then these are your exchanges. So there you go. There's the crypto index here. And then we have an overall stock market overview that you can come and check out. We've got your top 5 active movers of the NASDAQ. We've got the gainers and we've got the losers. So you can check that out. We've got the indices over here to the right-hand side. We've got futures, we've got bonds, and we've got Forex pairings that you can take a look at as well. Just, get you a nice quick overview of the markets, that kind of thing. I'm not necessarily saying trade off of these charts, but it's just a great way to come in here and get some information. Like I said, all in one place. And then down here, we have upcoming economic events. There are 16 different countries or regions that we are tracking here, and you can see based on time and date what they've got going on. So this is stuff that's already happened in the past. This is stuff that's coming up. So you can see different dates on things. You can see different, forecasts and then priors, that kind of thing. So this gives you a bunch of information right here as well, so that you can track, like, when would be a different, a good movement in the market kind of thing. Is there going to be news coming up that's going to be, moving the market, so you can see how you want to trade. All right, and we have got quick charts over here. So the quick chart section has it's basically like a broken down sectioned out chart section that I use for trading. So I've got Bitcoin. I got the 1 minute, the 5 minute, I got the 15 minute down here. Then we've got Bitcoin dominance, and then we've got the Bitcoin volatility. So this really helps out a lot as well. Just kind of show when markets are, if markets are moving, or, if there's high volatility in the markets, so it shows you if it's a good time to trade or not. Ethereum, we have the 1, 5, 15, and then we have the Ethereum to BTC chart on the 15 minute here as well. And then we've got our watch list. These are all assets that I can trade over here on Apollo X, which is a decentralized exchange. I use it on Binance Smart Chain. So it's a smart contract based platform, similar to like what DYDX does. So you basically deposit your money into the contract, and then you can trade. You're paying fees and all that kind of stuff, but you can trade, I think, up to 150x leverage, something like that. So that's where I've been doing my leverage trading. It's not a huge market, so you can come and check out what markets are going to be best for you. I've actually been trading Matic, Polygon, there, because they've got a lot of volume that comes in on some of them. Like ADA will get some good volume, things like that. But yeah, this is where I've been coming and doing my leverage trading here. But this little chart, it's got an RSI, it's got the VWAP here on the chart, so that you can, come in here and do some charting if you don't necessarily want to have to go off to TradingView or something like that. You got your Ethereum chart, ADA, Cosmos, Atom, BNB, XRP, and I'm going to be adding some more to this chart as I go along as well. It's just some stuff that I'll watch. I mainly trade Bitcoin and Ethereum, just for the simple fact that most of your altcoins are going to move with Ethereum, but most of the market moves with Bitcoin anyway. So that's why I have, say, the Bitcoin dominance, so that if Bitcoin is less dominant, then you can be looking at trading altcoins, and you might get better runs in altcoins. But if Bitcoin dominance is definitely high, that's when I'm trading Bitcoin. So that gives you a really good indication on what you can, you know, kind of play around with there. Not financial advice, kids, just a dude trying to learn how to trade these markets like right along with the rest of you. I just built myself a cool little tool, so, you know, you're free to use this as well. Next tab over, we have got CoinLogic TV. This is where pulling in from our YouTube channel, showing you the different videos, interviews, D-apps, tutorials. This is just your main, like, CoinLogic. You hit play and watch all of them kind of thing. And then over here, we have got our news feed. So we've got our news feed going on. This is all of our different our latest post, either by me or by somebody that I might have come in and do like a guest post or something like that. And then we've got AMB Crypto down here. We've got a whole outside news source thing. By the way, I'm kind of moving a little quick. Sorry. Over here to the right, you've got a quick little price feed here, a search. You got tweets from the CoinLogic account. So go follow CoinLogic online on Twitter. And then you've got your categories over here. Okay, so these are the different categories that we put posts in. All right, moving on along. Down here, we've got the outside news source. We've got AMB Crypto. We have got Bitcoin.com. We have got Decrypt.co. And we've also got the U.S. Federal Reserve news feed. This is a great way to get like macroeconomic data. And then we've got curated posts from the Hive blockchain. So this is stuff that, you know, crypto related posts, that kind of thing. A lot of it's manual, some of it are actually auto votes, so you might get some like random posts that are not necessarily financial related, but you know what, they could be educational in one way or another. Just go check them out. When you click on a post, like say from Taskmaster 4450 here, it's actually going to open it up into the Hive blog section, so you can look at hive.blog, and it'll open it up there on that. And you can actually come here. If you don't have a Hive account, you can sign up, get you a Hive account, come and get involved in the conversation and earn some crypto just for being a part of a community and coming and engaging. And you know, the more that you stake, the more power your vote has in how much these posts actually earn. So these posts can actually earn some really good money. This is partially how I make my living, so come and check it out. Anyway, back over here to CoinLogic. All right, so going back over here to the markets, or really you can hit it on that sidebar too. If you want to get some information on a coin, so like on one specific coin, all you really have to do is click on the name of the coin and it'll take you into an information page that has, you know, live price feeds. You actually have a conversion. So if you want to, you know, convert so many dollars to, or whatever currency, it's got a list of different currencies that you can access. So once you have that, you can just do a currency conversion. It'll show you charts. It'll show you all that kind of stuff. So you can see here, we've also got website links, Explorer links, Twitter, Reddit, all that kind of stuff. Source code that you can link to. So this is all coming from the CoinGecko API. So you got historical data, different markets it can be traded on, you know, some social feeds, that kind of thing. A lot of information coming in here. So it actually might take a minute for these info pages to load, because it does bring in a lot of data. And but we've actually, this new server has actually helped out a lot, trust me. But being that we have just moved over to a new server, some of the caching may still be needing to happen, you know, from a cold start. So please be patient if these pages take a minute to load. But yeah, overall, the rest of the site, I'm really, really happy with the overall performance of it. But this is one of the features that we also have here. So you can get all the information that you need on these particular coins themselves, their prices, all that kind of stuff. You can add them to your watch list. We have a buy and sell. This will actually take you out to Changely. So you can go and do some trading there on Changely, and it uses our affiliate link. So it helps the channel out. So always appreciative. So that's it. And that's pretty much, I've tried to like simplify, trying to kind of bring as much data into one place as I possibly can. And so you're not having to go out to all these different sites and all this kind of stuff. We're actually bringing other sites into us here. So this is kind of like an all-in-one tool for your crypto research. If you have any suggestions on things that you might want to see, definitely come and get involved in the Hive blockchain, and you can come and comment on these posts, or come and hit us up on Twitter and say, hey, shall try to add some stuff to this, you know, try to add this or try to add that. And if it's possible, we'll look into it. So, but anyway, think of this as a tool for you to use as well. So please come and check it out. Anyway, that's it. You guys have a great day. Be cool, be real, always abide, and don't get wrecked out there in those crazy markets. Be safe and come and make sure that you look before you leap. That's actually the new Trading View slogan. So sorry, I didn't mean to, you know, steal that. Anyway, is what it is. Not financial advice. And I guess the biggest piece of advice that I can give right now is not your keys, not your crypto. That's why I'm trading through smart contracts and on decentralized exchanges. Other than, you know, like say, I'm actually looking at going back through Robinhood to trade stocks. That is simply because they are actually insured. So yeah, that kind of thing. So FTX shook up the markets, but we can't let that beat us, guys. So we got to continue to move on. And I'm just trying to help do the best thing that I can do for this industry. This is my gift to you guys. So come and use it. Enjoy it. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.